Good day, everyone. Ali is here from Safi Financial Network. Today is April 12, 2023. Here is S&P 500 daily chart as usual, and the market just had a downtick today. So, all in all, it was a light volume day. It was not a huge reversal day. So, when you want to say market is reversing back down, you should just see over 100 million SPY traded. Today, it was not a light volume. I should correct myself. Not light volume, not a decent volume. 78 million for SPY, which is not bad, but it's not high volume reversal day. But price action wise, this is absolutely selling signal. So we should just see and be careful if market S&P 500 close below this, especially close below this wide range bar, then we should see a pullback to here, which we are expecting. Somehow we are expecting if market coming back down here, that would be great buying opportunity again. As I said, next 2-3 weeks, which we are in a second week of April, especially to the third week, because earnings coming back, earning season is coming back, and lots of volatility. Today we had CPI number as well, so CPI number was neutral. So as I said, market didn't expect too much surprises, and CPI was pretty neutral, 5%, just the point 0.1 below expectation, which is not bad for the market, at least for Federal Reserve. It can just give a brief to Federal Reserve not to increase the hike, not to increase the rate, and not to hiking the rate. But we'll see how it goes. But May session would be important definitely for investors and traders. If market is coming down to here to, I should say, 39.92 to 4,000, that would be, I think it's going to be a buying signal, another buying opportunity to here. Everyone just looking for as like this is going to be at the top, this is going to be the ceiling, and market is coming down. I don't think so. I don't think so. Seasonality, we are in a positive season. April is going to be one of the favorite one. However, we can't just have an inversion like last year. April was not that good. Even it was ugly actually. One of the worst months in 2022 was April and May. But all in all, when we are seeing something like this choppy, sloppy, market didn't go anywhere since last August. August 2022, here's the bottom, October 2022, and look what happened to the market. Market is just doing a sideways choppy consolidation. Everyone just betting, hey, this is the top, this is the bottom. No, we are not at the bottom or at the top. We are just in the middle of no man's land, basically. I'm just expecting another hike to this area probably by end of May, June. That should be the target for 2023, and still I'm on this, so the next pullback could be another buying opportunity, I should say. Momentum wise, we are just getting bear reversal, so stochastic, RSI, everything, as I said, RSI getting to this resistance area, so it's coming down. Stochastic wise, we are just getting down here, so this is a bear reversal. So all in all, and this one is very important, IMI as well, so this one is very, very important. So all in all indicators, price action, everything is telling us we are due for a pullback, and market just pulling back right now. If market is coming down to this here, to this area, so we'll see if there is any reversal or any reversal candle, then we should see another increase to the upside. Moving on to Nasdaq, because Nasdaq was ugly today, and the reason was semiconductors. We are getting in a bit, but Nasdaq, here's the Nasdaq. So stochastic wise, bear reversal confirming. We are just closing below this. We are getting into this pivotal point. Any pullback. So market just tested SMA 20 today. So any pullback, deeper correction is going to be kind of foreseeable for Nasdaq. So even this area, I'm just looking for this area to see if market is coming down, Nasdaq is coming down to this trend line here. Look at that. So here's the trend line, and market just getting above this without any pullback. Right now, it's the time to getting back to this area for pullback for a next leg up. So the next leg up, the ultimate level, I think it's going to be above this August high, just into this supply area. So we will see how it goes. And this one, I don't think it's going to happen. Anything below this, any engulfing or clean out below 11,000, that's going to be very ugly. We should see a lower low in Nasdaq. Right now, we are just at the top, nothing special. This one is expected. This is a higher high. and if it ends to the higher low, then we should see another higher high as well in the months of May or even June. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow Jones. Dow Jones is the best one, as I said, and today it just proved itself, going all the way up to here, getting back to this area. So Dow is in resistance right now. So if you just draw a trend line here, I know lots of people are doing that. It's not my favorite, but if you just see this one, so here's the pivot, here's the pivot, here's the pivot. So that's why Dow it's getting back to this area due to trend line. But I see here, this is a wide range bar, this is consolidation, and this is another supply area on the top. So we are getting to the very, very critical, important level for Dow Jones. If we get above this, as I show, that's going to be new all-time high, which ultimately I'm looking for new all-time high for Dow Jones. But if this one goes down here, nothing has been changed, and it gives us very, very nice, fantastic buying signal, to be honest. I'm just waiting for this, and keep an eye on this level. If it goes here, I will get into buying signal. This is a nice QM pattern. I'm just waiting for a pullback. Probably today was just the beginning of the pullback. Next 2-3 weeks, then this one is getting uh, into a nice setup for a long or buying opportunity. And MACD is coming down. RSI didn't get back to the overbought. Stochastic wise, we are just getting very reversal signal. So still early stage for the sell signal. We can just wait to see if this one goes down. But this could be a good selling signal, to be honest. If tomorrow we will have follow through, you can just put your stop loss here and then coming down all the way to here. So that's going to be a very, very nice I should say selling signal for you for scalpels. Okay, moving on to some individual names. Let me just, this is NVIDIA, we will get back to this one, but let me start with yield as usual. So yield had negative day today, so it goes back to this trend line coming back down. Yield was down due to the CPI number, but the interesting thing is TLT didn't do very well. Not a bad, not a good. So it's just consolidating here. This sounds very repeat to me. So when it breaks above 110, we should see a parabolic move to the upside to 130 to 140. Right now, it's just consolidating. And all in all, I'm just looking for a pause and pivot for from Federal Reserve this year. And when that happens, TLT is going to skyrocket to the upside. It doesn't give anyone time to get there. I know everyone is saying, when exactly this one is going to move up, no one knows. But when it moves, it's going to move blastically. Gold, I think this is the top, guys, intermediate top for gold. So we are at the top here, very significant top. This is a very, very nice divergence between these two. I just posted in my Telegram channel, I'm going to let you know, if gold take out this pivotal point, it's going down all the way to the first target, which is 1937. If it doesn't hold this area, it's going to go down to here, which is giving us very, very nice buying opportunity. But again, just keep an eye on this. This is a very, very important pivot because this one was a pullback, breakout, wide range bar, pullback. And pullback didn't ended up to the higher high, which is very, very warning signal. So this one needs to take out, for bulls, they need to take out this pivotal point. If it doesn't, and then reversing back down, taking out this pivotal point, this one is heading to 1937 and then ultimately 1890 to 1860. So that would be a great buying opportunity. We'll see how it goes. Crude, significant breakout to the upside. Fantastic. So crude is in a blastic move to the upside. If it goes above $84, which is our first target, then 91.96 is coming down the road. So crude, absolutely great. Nothing that we didn't mention. We mentioned this before. When this one is going back to this wedge and this gap consolidation, this is a fantastic buying signal. VIX coming down today. You can't believe that. Market was down, VIX was down. So VIX doesn't go anywhere. There is no panic still in the market. So that's why I'm saying the next leg down could be a corrective move for the market. VIX doesn't have enough power to go up. Especially dollar is down as well. So dollar just came down significantly today. If this one cleans this area, this one doesn't hold, and then we will head to 97 to 99. So we'll see how it goes. But dollar, any rally could be buying a selling opportunity. Apple, moving on to the FANG stocks. Apple, just a follow through yesterday's session, coming down 70 cents down, but still above this. So if Apple goes below this, that's going to be ugly, 148. Right now, just a pullback. If this one goes below 159, 156, then we should see 148 is coming down the road. Amazon, $2 loss today. Amazon not as strong. Keep an eye on this level. If this one doesn't hold, we are getting back to this 90-91 area. Meta, just a consolidation and 15 cents gain, to be honest. But this is not a weak, this is not a strong. Nothing special, just a consolidation. We will see how it goes. Microsoft, strong today. I know the candle was red, but 66 gain compared to the other ones. So Microsoft is consolidating right now. If this is a bear flag, then we can see Microsoft 272. I'm not sure yet. So we will see how it goes. But leave it for now. We are not into this. Google, just coming down. Google engulfed this wide range bar. Not a good sign. This is a very, very important pivot. 99.86. If this one engulfed, then we should see Google another down to this 92 to 94 area. Netflix, one of the best setup actually I should say. Netflix take out this pivotal point. Now Netflix is coming down to 306, 313. For put option players, this is a good play. Stop loss for those ones who want to put like a trade or short the Netflix. This is good stuff for you folks. If you just took a fib retracement from here to here, you will see this one retracing all the way up to 61.8, coming along with this QM pattern neckline. So if you just draw a line here, you will see QM pattern neckline 61.8. So this is a classical two setups coming together for the short. So that's why Netflix is coming down. Confirmation was today, and Netflix is heading to 306, 313. Tesla, the same scenario. So Tesla is coming down as well. If this pivot take out tomorrow, Tesla is coming back to this box. And this is, you know that I'm waiting for this long time, so we'll see how it goes. SMH, I should say the weakness is here. SMH, pretty nice head and shoulder is forming on the top. So this is a shoulder, this is a head, and today just formed the right shoulder. So if this one take out 246, 245, which is middle of this wide range bar tested before, then it's going to go all the way down to 232. If this one doesn't hold, it goes all the way back down to here to test this trend line here. So 214 to 220, that's going to be the area for SMH. Again, it doesn't guarantee to go there all in a straight line. So we should see first this pivot and then 232. SOX, the same pattern almost. Pivot, this is the area, and then 370 is coming to the place. TSM coming down. Look at this candle here. So if this one engulfed to the downside, 78 to 80 is coming down the road. AMD, pretty strong, but look at that. So this one is rolling over as well. This one cannot break above this trend line. So if this is a bull flag and we see a reversal is coming, something like this, that's going to be a very, very spiky parabolic move to the upside. I'm not sure because the formation of the other stocks in the industry is not doing well. So, but no one never knows. Nvidia, the same formation. Look at that. So here is the shoulder, here's the head, here's the right shoulder. If Nvidia take out this pivotal point, which is 264, then we should see coming down to this box, middle of this wide range bar, pull back, and then sharp sell-off is coming. I would say this area could be great buying opportunity. It doesn't guarantee that we get there with this pattern, but if it gets there, I will be buyer. Texas Instruments, the same pattern is coming down. This is almost head and shoulder as well here as well. So Lam Research is coming down $10. Head and shoulder as well. So all in all, when you see this is small head and shoulder, you should just be careful on this industry. Moving on to financials. So XLF, pretty mixed session for financials because some of them were good, some of them were bad. Actually, this one doesn't load. Yeah, so this one was positive early session, but this one is coming down. So we will see how it goes. Very, very important to see if financials XLF can reach out to this level at least. Then that could be a selling opportunity. KBE large cap bank. So this one cannot breach this trend line. So it's still weakness there. KRE, the same pattern. This one is coming down. And if this one breaks down, that would be very ugly for the financials. JPM, just a doji bar, nothing happening. It doesn't go to this resistance here. It doesn't go to this buying area here. So I mean, like important pivot. Any of these two, if breaks to the upside or downside, that could be a different zone, and we should just trade based on that. Goldman Sachs, $2.80 up, but nothing spectacular. Getting back to this white range bar, so that's why it rejected down. Wells Fargo had a fantastic day yesterday, but today couldn't follow through, so we'll see how it goes. Moving on to the gold miners. Gold miners is getting to the topping formation, folks. Along with gold miners is getting to the topping formation. So we should just wait for a pullback for these names to coming down to get to the buying opportunity. I'm not selling, I'm just waiting for a pullback to get back to the buying opportunity. GDXJ, the same. AEM, the same pattern, nothing more, just 90 cents gain today, nothing spectacular. NEM, disappointing to be honest, 21 cents loss, so nothing spectacular for NEM. Franco Nevada dollar 41 cents up. Gold Barrick 21 cents up, and the same pattern. Energy stocks, it doesn't follow through the WTI. It was early session, it was positive, but XOP is coming down and probably just need to have more consolidation before the leg higher. OIH, the same pattern, just $1.66 gain. Nothing spectacular, needs to have more consolidation. XOM, which is exactly doing consolidation. Exxon is doing fantastic. This is the same price action like gold. Gapped consolidation, but it needs to just have another breakthrough to the upside. Chevron, consolidation, the same pattern like gold and Exxon. Oxy, just another bad day. So Doji positive day, 47 cents, not a bad day. REIC, actually the same. So 2% up, 17 cents. It's just coming up a bit, just middle of this wide range bar. This needs to take out this pivotal point for another tackle to 7.75 to $8. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, I think I've wrapped up everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel. Have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye bye.